Hello guys, this is a cool quick video on my sprite for my game. So, this is a simple sprite creation. I'm making the Alex. This is the first character that I do in pixel art, but it fits the style of my game for now. So this is very simple. I uh, darked the color. I think I can say darked. I don't know. Darked a bit the color because yes, it's too bright. So now it looks very great. I don't know how to say this. I'm sorry that I'm not putting quality content on YouTube right now, but I have some little problem because I'm not home, so I have not no time to make video for YouTube. But I'm trying to make something, to put something out there, hoping that you can like it. So this is the whole creation. It's very quick, but yeah, I need the video. Goodbye.